I have a 2014 Chevy Express in front of me. In this video, I'm going to be working on the rear brake and reverse lights. I just got an inspection done on this vehicle, and one of the findings was that when the vehicle is in reverse, instead of the reverse light shining, the brake light actually shines. And when you press the brakes, instead of the brake shining, the reverse light actually shines. And I thought, okay, that's an easy fix. The shop wanted 150 bucks to fix it. No way. This is how you're going to do it. And if you potentially are watching this video and you have a burnt out bulb and you're trying to get that replaced, this video will also help you. So just real quick, you will see that you have some bolts that are holding this light assembly. This is 10 millimeter. So you'll go ahead and take this one off, and you'll take this one off. But on this type of vehicle, not only do you need to take those two off, you need to look up, and there's another one right here. So you'll take this off as well. And this upper plastic piece is going to pop out, and that's going to reveal a hidden 10 millimeter bolt that's right here as well. So once you take off these three on the light assembly, this will come out like just traditional light assembly, and you have the screws that you just they're plastic plugs that hold the bulb. You'll just grab it, pinch it, and do a quarter turn, and they pop right out. And this is what an example of a broken bulb looks like. This vehicle takes the 3157s. They're roughly this size. This one's broken, so disregard that, but that's what they look like. So you'll just pop those out of the light, a plug that holds it in, and then put the new one in, and then twist it back on. What I did to fix my problem was I just took the two out and I swapped them and I put them back in, because they're the same bulb. They're just white blanks, and it shines white because this is white plastic. It shines red because this is red plastic. So I just swapped those two, and that did the trick. I also replaced the bulbs because one of them was broken, as you could see. And then to reassemble it, you're just going to put this 10 millimeter back on, and the 10 millimeter that's hidden right here. Then you're going to put this plastic piece back on, slide it on, pop it in, and you're going to notice that the upper plastic piece and the brake assembly, the brake light assembly, all have plastic tabs that need to be bolted in. So you'll put that one in, and then this one in right there. And then I did my testing, and everything's good. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.